There is a name that resonates with a happier and more fulfilling life. Built on the frames of trust, the name is Hyundai Department Store Group, a global leader in manufacturing, distribution, and retail. Hyundai L&C is a living interior corporation that represents Hyundai Department Store Group. With its thoughtful understanding of people and space, and with spatial intelligence that designs every corner of a space with delicate considerations, Hyundai L&C is opening a new chapter of living culture. Spatial intelligence, bringing elegance. Beauty must last long. More than 20 years of secrets and expertise of interior design stones of Hyundai L&C. HanStone, HanX. HanStone is made from pure natural quartz through our advanced manufacturing process. It is a premium product certified with the highest eco-friendly class in Korea, the US, and Europe. With its natural-looking marble pattern and luxurious texture, HanStone is leading the Korean reconstruction and remodeling market, while being highly recognized by the global market as a high-end interior stone product.
HanStone Quartz, love the product. The collection is absolutely gorgeous. The color range is super versatile and flexible, and have probably used them in probably 99% of all of my projects.
HanX is our signature brand of solid surface product with trend-setting design and innovation. Excellent stability and stain resistance can maintain its natural beauty. Highly convenient fabrication enables endless design options. Hyundai L&C's interior stone carries more than 400 colors. With the experience and advanced technology earned in both domestic and overseas markets, we are pleased to provide our global customers with beauty and comfort at every corner of their space. To make your space a new culture, Hyundai L&C and its spatial intelligence elevate your life, bringing happiness to our customers, enriching the world. A new culture in interior design. Hyundai L&C.